Hi everyone, welcome back to Trauma Media, where we make money simple and your future bright. Today I'm going to show you a super simple but powerful formula called the 1/3 rule, and it can save you from a financial disaster. Whether you're just starting out, you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or earning six figure, this rule is for you. Stay with me till the end. I will show you how the one formula can help you debt-free, save more money, and still enjoy it. So let's hop in. What is this 1/3 rule? It's a basic money formula. You take your monthly income and divide it into 3 equal parts. 1/3 for living expenses, 1/3 for saving and investing, and 1/3 for paying off or giving your debts. Simple, right? Here is why it works. Most people spend all their money without a plan. They pay bills, eat out, shop, and then realize they have nothing left. The 1/10 rule forces you to balance it. Let's break it down. 1/10 for living expenses like your rent, your food, transportation, phone, electricity bill, everything you need to live day to day. This step stops you from overspending. Then 1/3 for saving and investment, an emergency fund, retire side also, or even your future business. This part grows your money for tomorrow. 1/3 for debt payment. Whatever loan, be it credit card or helping out family that you care about, this helps you become debt-free and feel more fulfilled. This method gives structure to your money. It gives you freedom without guilt or confusion. Let's say you earn 900 of your denomination in a month. Here's how you divide it. 300 for living, 300 for saving investment, 300 for debt repayment. Too simple, right? Maybe, but that's the point. Simplicity is powerful. If your expenses are higher than 1/3, it's a sign to adjust your lifestyle or increase your income. Maybe cut some expenses or find a side hustle. If you can start with 1/3, start small. You can try the 70-20-10, then you start it with 33-33-33. The main thing is consistency. It's more important than perfection. Let's take Sarah, a nurse who earned 1/8 monthly. Before the 1/3 rule, she spent 1/4 on rent, food, and fun, paid 200 towards debt, saved only 100. She was always stressed about money. After using the 1/3 rule, 600 went to rent and food, 600 went into her savings and small investments. 600 started paying off a loan faster. Now she's saving and paying her debt with peace of mind. That's the power of having a simple system. Taking your income, know exactly how much you earn each month, even if it changes. Forgetting small expenses like coffee, snacks, subscription can add up very fast to your debt. So skipping the saving part, don't wait till you have more. Start saving something now, even as little as 10 of your denomination. Then giving up too fast, it takes time to adjust. The goal is progress, not perfection, like I will always say. You need a notebook. Yes, just writing it down works too. You have to be sure of what you're saying. So set weekly money check-ins. Ask, did I stick to my 1/3 this week? Where can I do better next month? You have to automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Find a money buddy, share goals, and keep each other motivated. Reward yourself, but stay within 1/3 fund zone. And if your income goes up, don't inflate your lifestyle. Stick to the rule and watch your money grow faster. The 1/3 rule isn't magic, but it feels like it. It keeps your money balanced, help you sleep better at night, and bring financial peace. No more wondering where your money went. You now control it, not the other way around. So remember, 1/3 for living, 1/3 for saving, investment, 1/3 for debt and giving. That's it. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who need a financial reset. Comment below. I'm trying the wanted rule, and let's support each other in the journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep it simple, stay smart, and make your money work.